Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Please Don't Touch Anything.
Hey! Whew. I need to take a bathroom break.
Guy.
Just stay here for a minute.
Steve from Minecraft.
What? Did you ask what that panel's for?
No.
Oh yeah, don't worry about that panel. Just stay here. I'll be right back.
Okay.
And don't touch anything.
Okay. Oop. Oh. That just switched the music completely. I'm gonna flip this lever. Oh. Uh-oh. I can make things better. Nope, I can't. Oh. Hey. Not. Oh! I did not do that. How am I still alive? What does that say? Reset. Oh, what's this thing? Oh, I love mushrooms. Okay. Oh, because it's in the shape of the. So do I just press it again? Oh. Now what do I do? That arrow right here was telling me to right, so I guess it's talking about this. Grab your screwdriver. I don't know what that means. It's 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. Let's try that. 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. Oh. Which way should I flip it? I'm gonna flip it this way. Yeah. What is this? Oh, it's a black light. Okay. Oh. What the heck, bro? Who's doing satanic rituals in your study? I don't know what any of this stuff is. Hold your breath. Way out? Way out? Oh. Kaboom. Yeah. That's indeed kaboom. That is weird. That's very weird. Now what do I do? They don't do. Can I just press it again? Nothing's happening. Oh! Grab your screwdriver. I have my screwdriver. Now what? So I guess I'm doing this. What is that? I don't even have my hammer. I'm just gonna keep pressing the button. Can I get more? My bad, I turned off the power. I'm gonna turn it back on. Dummy! Bro, I'm not a dummy. That's not nice. Okay. Here's my screwdriver. Let's try this again. Okay, instructions. Let's move with the clock. Okay, I have my hammer. Now what? What do I do? What is that? Okay, we'll worry about that later. Let's try this again. This time I'm gonna flip it to the left. Oh! 8, 0. Let's try that. Yeah! What was that? And what is this? Like, what even happened? What? Okay, no, reset. What even happened? I was holding my hammer right here. Oh. And this, I held it right. It was right here. So, it's not doing anything now. Okay, 800. Okay. So what? Wait, does this fit in here? That's what caused it. Okay, I think I can destroy the city. I got this. This is easy. Give me a real challenge. Like, actually, though. This is so easy. Bro. Oops. What do you mean? Let's try that again. Okay. Oh, what? It's just so easy. Give me a challenge. Yes! I'll reset switch to continue. Okay, what? Okay, can I play now? The song. Okay, so last time we were going to do that. So there you go. Bop, bop, no. Okay. Can I break the clock? Oh, I can. Oh. Give me. What's this thing? Left. I feel like this could be a code to that. What? 231. Okay. 231. 312. What? Oh, it's 4 digits. I don't know what that does. I'll read some. Oh, that's a 4-digit code. Okay. 8 2. Oh, okay. 8 2 7. Oh. Okay, that's crossed out. Bruh. I do? What is this? No, I want to see. No, not you. I want to see this. Oh, this is a Morse code thing. Okay, that's cool. But for real though, what do I do now with this thing? Didn't I see a number on there? I think it was like 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. 3, 1, 2, 4. 3, 1, 1. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to. Ooh. I didn't know this was here. There's a star there. Can I try to make a star? I'm a star. I'm a star. I'm a star. I'm a star. Whoa. Okay. That just caused me fears. You know what? I have an idea. You know, I really hate this button. What if I smash it? Oh, yo, I didn't actually expect that to do something. Me say, bah! Oh! What the? I have to smash these things. Wait, his ink is going to reset. He's gonna reset me. What is this thing? What are you? This is not a child. You see the wires? I'm not beating a child. You're not resetting me, bud. What? That did? It's dead. I think I just killed that person's child that I just saw after I made the star. Yo, my bad. My bad. Psycho. But I think we're gonna go back and check the code. Take this. So that's 3121. Okay, 3121. 3, 1, 2. Oh. Oh. the meteorites. I just meteorited the wind. How am I not getting hurt from all this? Do I live underground or something? How can I screwdrive that? How can I screwdrive that? Yeah. Wow. Beep, beep, beep. It is 2001, right? 2001. Oh, I didn't actually expect that to work. There's Earth on there. Like, can I spell Earth on here? I'm bored. What should I spell here, though? I'm gonna try and spell Earth. Maybe that'll do something. Is there an E here? Hello? E, please? There we go. Am I gonna get an A? Oh, I will. Is there a TH? No? Oh, there it is. Yo, what does this do? Okay, we'll figure that out later. Let's just... I don't know what this does. Does it unlock that? Let me see. Nope. Absolutely nothing. I need to figure out what that's for. I'm just trying to do everything I can think of. Let's try just... What if I do? Nope. 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 What? Hey, wait, does the key go in there? Ching. Oh, yeah. What the... Wait, I'm in a rocket ship. Oh, why is there there's a big monkey, what? That was so weird. I wonder what happens if I were to... Bot. Bot. I said bot. Bot. Oh. My eyes, bro. Ooh, another big button. Boo. Hey. Hush. What the heck is that? True? No, that's false. Okay. Now what? Joshua? Wait, can I call him? Hello. That opens that. Left arrow and right arrow. We'll do that later. Just keep pressing the button. Let's open this up. I don't actually know what to do here, but I do know I can do this. Yeah! Why is there a hamster in here? The hamster in there. Press the button! Press the button! I'll make this my thumbnail. Thumbnail. Okay. I can't see anything. Okay, is that blue, green, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, or, is that red, yellow, blue, or red, yellow, blue, yellow? Red, yellow, blue, yellow. Nope. Red, What do you mean question mark? Where's my hammer, bro? I'll just call him from this thing. I'm gonna try it again. What the? We ain't playing this game again. Bop. Put this on here. What's his number? Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Bop, dong. Answer the phone, Joshua. You don't want to disappoint me, do you? There. What the? Good mistake. I love my toys. Tic-tac-toe. Nice. Wait. 0 players. Yo, I'm not even like what? What's even happening? Hey. What the heck is happening? What the heck just happened? A strange game. Wouldn't you prefer a new game of chess? No, I would not. Are you gonna say something different? No, okay. Tic-tac-toe, tic-tac-toe, tic-tac-toe. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Yeah. Literally, I'm not joking, this is it. I'll make another part soon. I have to upload my other videos, but yeah.